Inter Miami.
Messi is coming to Jamaica. And no, I am not talking on vacation, but for an official match against our very own Cavalier SC. Alright, sure, there is a 50% chance he won't make it because he was just drawn in the first round of the Concacaf Champions Cup against a fellow MLS team in Sporting Kansas City. So there is a chance that, Inter Miami might lose over 2 legs and they don't make it to the round of 16 where Cavalier is already waiting. But honestly, Sporting Kansas City is one of the worst teams in MLS last season and they are in a full rebuilding mode leading into next year. So I expect the likes of Messi and Suarez and Ian Frey and everybody on that Miami team should be able to get past the Sporting Kansas City team, which means a match date with Cavalier in Kingston, Jamaica. And that itself is the grand prize that Rudolph Speed and everybody who was cheering on Cavalier in the Caribbean Cup was hoping for. Yeah, forget about the money and the prestige of being Caribbean champions. Well, for now, the main target or the main hope and goal of winning that title was to draw a big team and big player like Messi. No, it is now officially a strong possibility that he comes here in March. And if you think about it, just imagine what they could do for a club like Cavalier, who during the Caribbean Cup or even their match in this competition last year against FC Cincinnati, and how they draw, less than 500 people each time at the stadium. Well, I expect at least 36,000 of you guys to park the stadium if Messi comes, which is a big deal for Cavalier in their pocket. But outside the money factor of it, it's just the idea of seeing one of the greatest players that ever lived live in front of our eyes. I grew up hearing countless, and I mean countless, stories of my father telling me what it was like when Pele came to Jamaica. He told me he had to scale the fence and get over that wall to reach in the bleachers because there was only standing room only just to get a glimpse of the king. I'm hoping I don't have to scale the fence this time, but I will definitely be there if and when Messi comes to Jamaica. But this is just a short video to give you an update on what's going on in the Concacaf Champions Cup Draw and the fact that it's a real possibility, a strong possibility that Messi will be here touching down in Kingston in March next year to face again our Cavalier. And believe it or not, just based on all the teams set up right now, Cavalier might have a small, tiny chance to get past them because Inter Miami does not like play teams with speed. But of course, we'll get more in detail of all of that in a big preview show when that matchup happens. But for now, this is exciting news, and of course, we'll look in February to see if Inter Miami get past Sporting Kansas City. But alright, that's just a quick video and this quick update. Again, please like, subscribe and share as we look to keep you up to date on all things in the Jamaican Premier League and Messi now apparently. So stick around and subscribe for more. Otherwise, YouTube, big up yourself.